What's going on, my fellow Harley riders? This is a 2000 Road King, and if you've ever tried to remove the rear wheel on one of these dresser models or touring models without basically disassembling everything on the back or jacking the thing a million feet up in the air, which is not fun for, a 1,000-pound motorcycle, here is what I have done. I have this little open trailer here that I've had for many years. All I did was load the bike on the trailer, ride it up there, strap it down with some wheel chocks to keep it steady upright. The kicker is to have this drop off right here at the back. So you could use this with a little trailer like this or a pickup truck, anything. All I know is I did not have to remove anything else to get the wheel out from under there. I'm telling you, that is a lifesaver, because I've seen shops where they have to jack up the bike way up in the air or have a drop off in their work stand or whatever. Wow, this makes life so much easier if you need to remove your rear wheel. That's all I got to say. I'm sure many of you have other methods or, more approved methods. Of course, I have the bike, jacked up with regular old hydraulic jacks. But otherwise, all I have is it steadied with straps up on the handlebars and on the frame. Some wheel chocks in the front, keep the bike from possibly rolling forward. And you can see that wheel came right out of there, not a single problem at all. What I'm about to do is, unfortunately, I'm having to swap out the entire rear wheel because I cannot for the life of me get those brake rotor bolts out of there. I even tried heating them with a torch, all the usual methods, and I broke 3 of my tools already. So I went ahead and just bought another wheel, a used wheel with the same white wall tire, because I'm getting some pulsating and it's definitely coming from the rear end. So that's why I'm doing this, to just swap out the whole wheel. But if you're doing a tire change or changing out your pulley or your brake rotor or wheel bearings or whatever, and you're trying to get that wheel off of this big bike, give this a shot. Jack the thing up in the center, steady it with straps, wheel chock in the front. Use your pickup truck or your trailer or whatever you've got that'll allow you to hang the rear end off. Basically, the upper part of the shock absorber is at the edge of the drop-off point. And that tire came right out of there. I am thoroughly pleased with that. Anywho, check out our other videos. We got more videos on Harley Davidsons and Yamaha motorcycles, hot rod cars, non-hot rod cars, pickup trucks, stuff to do around the house, outdoor lawn equipment. We got all kinds of stuff. So anyway, check us out. We're always posting new stuff. We'll see y'all later.